Build a high-performance aeroponics grow system with Multiponics DIY kits. Start by placing our high-pressure filter in your reservoir. Connect the tubing run within 5 feet to your external pump. Be sure to observe the outlets on your Aquatech 8800 pump for the inlet and outlet ports. Plug our high-pressure tubing into the outlet port of your pump. This starts a line to service your nozzles. At each nozzle site, insert your tubing from a quick connect T-fitting through a stopper. The stopper is optional, but it provides for easy nozzle inspection even when the system is running. Then just end the line with an elbow fitting at your last nozzle, or loop back to the beginning of your nozzle line with a T, which helps to equalize pressure. And that's it. Just plug in your pump directly to the wall for cloning. And once the roots start really kicking, then plug it into our timer and use the various settings as little as 1 second on. Grow all the way to maturity, no transplant needed. That's probably the main reason this grow method outpaces all the others. With this DIY high-pressure aeroponics kit, you'll see all the benefits that HPA has to offer. Try a few grows and see how it goes. And if you really want to take this grow method to its logical conclusion, upgrade to our advanced aeroponics kit. Or if you want to start off with a complete kit that's got all the bells and whistles, go ahead and add in the advanced gear too, and following this simple diagram, go with our true aeroponics growing kit. On sale now at the Multiponics shop.